This is Sifaka. Sifaka is an open source library for introducing reflection and reliability into large language models. This diagram here explains exactly sort of the inner workings of Sifaka and what's happening under the hood, but the basic idea is that an LLM, in this case Pydantic AI, generates a response in response to a prompt, of course. We run validators, for example, link validators or classifiers, for example, does this have hateful or biased content in it? And if so, then we automatically pass it to a series of critics. There's currently 8 different critics, one of which is kind of a toy critic, the other 7 of which come from academia. And these critics can either run all the time, and they suggest more nuanced feedback, such as, while you dim it, well, let me just show you. So this is some of the feedback that we get from these different critics. And as you can see, all the different critics have slightly different recommendations, slightly different metadata and so forth, which we track in JSON files, and we're presenting here in a slightly easier to read format. But the idea is that we want to allow researchers and practitioners to reflect upon the reflections and figure out what's working.